Hello, everyone. Today we will practice the word delicious. Let's practice with me. Delicious. This food is delicious. The cake is delicious. Delicious meals make me happy. She cooked a delicious dinner. The soup tastes delicious today. I found a delicious recipe. Delicious food is good for health. We enjoyed a delicious lunch. Delicious desserts are my favorite. The restaurant serves delicious dishes. He made a delicious chocolate cake. Delicious flavors fill the kitchen. I love delicious fresh fruit. Delicious meals bring us together. She shared a delicious apple pie. Delicious food improves my mood. We cooked a delicious breakfast. Delicious snacks are great for breaks. The chef prepared a delicious meal. Delicious dishes make work better. I want to eat delicious food now. Delicious meals help me focus. Thank you for practicing delicious with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.